Hola and welcome back to our A1 vocabulary course here on my channel. And today we have a new topic. Okay, if you missed some other topics, please check out the playlist. Okay, you can find more. And today we have a really important and interesting one, because today we go shopping and we learn something more about clothing and also colors. The good thing is we can combine those things because we will learn really useful sentences. Okay, so I am a big fan of learning quite easy, simple sentences, so we can really use this in real life and not just a list of vocabulary. And yeah, please watch the whole video because I have sometimes some comments on some sentences to help you a little bit more to learn Spanish. And yeah, let's get started because you are here you want to learn something. And here's our first sentence of today. I want to buy a white shirt. So how do we say this in Spanish? Quiero comprar una camisa blanca. Quiero comprar una camisa blanca. Try also to repeat the sentence when I said it or speak along with me. And here, quiero, so important. Quiero, I want. No, we had it already in the other lessons, but please remember this one because it's so useful. No, and the verbs, like in English, are together. Quiero comprar. I want buy. I want to buy. Next sentence. How much does this dress cost? ¿Cuánto cuesta este vestido? ¿Cuánto cuesta este vestido? No? ¿Cuánto cuesta? Super important. No? How much does it cost? No? ¿Cuánto cuesta? Keep it in mind. How much do these shoes cost? ¿Cuánto cuestan estos zapatos? ¿Cuánto cuestan estos zapatos? So here we see zapatos, it's plural, shoes. No? And therefore we have to say cuestan, no? So it's plural, so we need to put the ending an to our verb. So we need the third person in plural. Okay? If it's just one thing, we would put just cuánto cuesta with an a. Okay, interesting this one. Next one. The red skirt is very pretty. La falda roja es muy bonita. La falda roja es muy bonita. And you see again, the color, the adjective goes after the noun. Okay, it's really typical in Spanish, and it also adapts to the gender of the noun. La falda, it's feminine, so we say roja, and we don't say rojo. No, the same thing for here, bonita and not bonito. Okay, keep this in mind. I'm looking for some jeans. Busco unos pantalones vaqueros. Busco unos pantalones vaqueros. Pantalones, it's like trousers. Vaqueros, it's type of jeans. Okay? And so in Spanish you say pantalones vaqueros. A little bit long, but it's jeans. Do you have a smaller size? ¿Tienen una talla más pequeña? ¿Tienen una talla más pequeña? No? Next sentence. Where are the fitting rooms? ¿Dónde están los probadores? ¿Dónde están los probadores? Quite useful to know this because most of the time we are looking for this. Yeah? It is too big for me. Me queda muy grande. Me queda muy grande. No? Sometimes it's hard to translate into a good English what we really have here. But I always recommend just learn it by heart. Okay? This is the way how we say it in Spanish. So just try to keep this in mind to say me queda muy grande. Me queda muy grande. It is a bit tight for me. Me queda un poco estrecho. Me queda un poco estrecho. Same thing here, no? Just try, no? see the situation, and then in this situation we would say in Spanish, me queda un poco estrecho. This jacket is gray. Esta chaqueta es de color gris. Esta chaqueta es de color gris. As option 2 we could say esta chaqueta es gris. Simplemente es gris. The socks are blue. Los calcetines son azules. Los calcetines son azules. And also here's interesting, calcetines, it's plural, so we say azules. We add es. No? Okay, so we kind of conjugate the adjective. I am wearing a cotton t-shirt. Llevo una camiseta de algodón. Llevo una camiseta de algodón. Algodón, cotton, camiseta, t-shirt. Can I try on this coat? ¿Puedo probarme este abrigo? ¿Puedo probarme este abrigo? Here actually you say, can I, no? Try on myself? No? It's reflexive here. The boots are made of black leather. Las botas son de cuero negro. Las botas son de cuero negro. The belt is brown. El cinturón es marrón. El cinturón es marrón. Oh, sounds actually nice. El cinturón es marrón. Is there any discount today? ¿Hay algún descuento hoy? ¿Hay algún descuento hoy? Huh? Important question sometimes. Maybe you get a discount. Winter clothes are expensive. La ropa de invierno es cara. La ropa de invierno es cara. This blouse is very cheap. Esta blusa es muy barata. Esta blusa es muy barata. Again, blusa, feminine, therefore barata, no barato. I like that yellow hat. Me gusta este sombrero amarillo. Me gusta ese sombrero amarillo. No, for I like, me gusta. No, me gusta. Do you have this sweatshirt in green? ¿Tienen esta sudadera en verde? ¿Tienen esta sudadera en verde? I pay in cash, thanks. Pago en efectivo, gracias. Pago en efectivo, gracias. Pago, pagar, no, to pay. Do you have paper bags? ¿Tienen bolsas de papel? ¿Tienen bolsas de papel? I need a suit for the wedding. Necesito un traje para la boda. Necesito un traje para la boda. Necesito, no, I need, no, also quite useful to remember. So I need something, no. It could be so many situations where you need to say this. So necesito, I need. The swimsuit is for the summer. El bañador es para el verano. El bañador es para el verano. And our last sentence of today is, I'll take these sunglasses. Me llevo estas gafas de sol. Me llevo estas gafas de sol. No? Gafas, glasses, of, sol, sun. And here we go. Here we have our 25 sentences of today about going shopping, about clothing and colors. Please let me know what you have in your wardrobe, what kind of clothing, which color. So leave a comment in Spanish, I will read it. Go to the description because there you find a link to learn these 25 sentences on Quizlet by yourself. I highly recommend this. And also remember, you can go to my website, there you can find a complete course for beginners. You go even more deeper there. You can check this out for free. There's a demo version, and you also can book me there as a private teacher if you need to. Yeah, I will see you in our next video with a new topic. Muchas gracias y hasta pronto.